Hi, I'm your Tiny Tots guide. We are going to learn about rocks and minerals. Rocks and minerals. Earth's crust is made up of many different types of rocks. Over long periods of time, many rocks change shape and type as they are transformed by wind, water, pressure, and heat. All rocks contain one or more minerals. Rocks and minerals are mined to help make things around us, from the large stone slabs used in buildings to the tiny pieces of metal in phones and jewelry. What is a rock? A rock is a solid collection of mineral grains that grow or become cemented together. Some rocks are large while others are small. Small rocks are called pebbles. Every rock is made up of one or more minerals. Geologists, people who study rocks and minerals, classify rocks according to the way they are formed. The three main types are igneous, sedimentary, and metamorphic rocks. Igneous rocks. Igneous rocks form when magma, molten rock, cools and becomes solid to form granite. Igneous rocks can also form on the Earth's surface when lava escapes from a volcano and solidifies quickly. The lava forms rocks with tiny crystals, such as basalt. Igneous rocks make up about 90% of the rock in Earth's crust. Sedimentary rocks. When rocks are weathered and eroded, worn down, they break up into smaller pieces called sediment. Over time, the sediment may be moved by wind, rain, and flows of ice to rivers, lakes, and oceans. Some sediments form by chemical processes such as the evaporation of seawater, which leaves salt behind. Other sediments form from the skeletons of animals, and from plants and other living things. Eventually, these sediments get buried and are squashed together to form sedimentary rocks. Sedimentary rocks make up around 75% of the rocks on the Earth's surface. Metamorphic rocks. Metamorphic rocks are rocks that have been changed by heat or pressure, or by both. Originally, they were either igneous or sedimentary rocks. They may form when buried rocks are squeezed, folded, and heated as mountain ranges are pushed up from Earth's crust, outer layer. Other metamorphic rocks form when the rocks surrounding super-hot igneous rocks are baked by the high temperatures. What is a mineral? A mineral is a naturally occurring, solid inorganic substance, which means it doesn't come from the remains of plants or animals. Minerals are made of chemicals. Most minerals are made up of repeating structures called crystals. Minerals grow or cement together to form rocks. Minerals are everywhere you look. We use them to build cars and computers, fertilize soil, and to clean our teeth. Metals from rock. Some metals are held inside rocks as minerals. The rock or mineral that holds the metal is called an ore. An ore is heated with chemicals until it melts and the pure metal separates out as a liquid. The liquid then cools and hardens. A few metals, such as gold, silver, and copper, can be found in already pure form as metal elements. Nuggets or flakes of these metals can be taken straight from rock, but this is uncommon. Metals are used to make many familiar things around us, such as copper in electrical wires, aluminium in fizzy drinks cans, iron in saucepans, and solid gold in jewelry. Rocks from space. Every day, about 500 tons of dust and rock from space collides with planet Earth. When this space debris burns up as it enters the atmosphere, it causes streaks of light called shooting stars, or meteors. Rocks from space that land on Earth's surface are called meteorites. Most of these rocks are fragments of broken asteroids, huge rocks that orbit the Sun. Rocks from the cores of asteroids contain a lot of iron. Only about 500 meteorites bigger than a football hit Earth each year, and most of these end up in the sea. The end.